Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 27th of March. Alright, thank you so much for coming back and good morning. Dobro jutro, Karo. Well, and thank you so much for coming in and JJ and yep, alright, okay, that's nice. Well, I think we are back here again. Right, and it's good. Okay, good morning, Bradley. All right, hi, Wasim. Hi, Honest. 你们好. Right. Okay. So, yep. Yes. Let me go with some Mandarin. Okay. 好了，今天晚上的8点钟呢，这个北京时间8点钟呢，我会有一个中文的这个纽约市场的讲解啊 ，OK， 所以大家呢，如果想要参与的话呢，都可以让我知道哈 ，OK， 留个言给我 ，OK， 好的 ，Then yes, hi JJ, nice to see you. Hi Maher, nice to see you. Okay, so this is so don't forget to share your goal. Yep, okay, and talking to Caro, right? Okay. Okay, so we are back here again, and well, I guess let's get into the MT4 first. Okay, yeah, share and care. Yeah, all right. So once again, I just share in our Discord channel. All right, another new account that impersonated me. Okay, so make sure you look at the account that actually the account opening date, okay, which is not me, all right, and usually I will not ask anyone to invest in anything, okay, because I'm only educator, all right, so just take note, okay, I will only ask you to invest your time to learn, okay. Am I right? Okay, so yes, and so if anybody encounter this, I will be grateful that you will share it in our Discord channel to warn everyone. Okay, all right. And if not, you can share it to me personally, and I will do the sharing. Okay. All right. And yes, hi Jerry, 你好. Good afternoon to you, Jerry. All right. So over here, and today, yeah, I think yesterday pound dollar really shot it down. So I guess it should be still good. I mean, hi Sabrina, nice to see you. Okay. All right, then yes, Christopher. Yeah, thank you so much. I got my TP yesterday on the pound dollar, and after that I go on the selling since the price they were talking about at 1.2 something. Okay, right. Okay, that's good. Congratulations. And yep. Right, and let's see. Okay, let me okay, so now let's come in. All right. Hi everybody, nice to see all of you here. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on yesterday. All right. First of all, yes. You see, over at this point here. All right, we hit all targets yesterday. Wow, fantastic! Congratulations, well done, man. And well, I guess it's really pretty good to see everybody started to get into the mood and the momentum, right? Okay, and you know what to do with trading, am I right? Okay, yeah, and I actually testing out some system, okay, so that in future we got more to share with everybody. Okay, all right, then hopefully we can grow this community as well. Yes. Okay, today we have people from Korea. Okay, the Korea channel is in now. All right, let me connect you. Okay. Korea. 안녕하세요. Yes, all right. All right, thank you so much. But we have different platforms again. Okay, so it's closed door for certain platforms. So I hope you guys can understand when I start to talk I think when I respond, you may not see the messages, but I think you guys already know I have I live stream to many different platforms together. Okay, so yeah, and well, come back here. Okay, come back here. All right, let's take a look. Yesterday we actually have a boom up. Slowly after that, we have touches 12662 over here, and started to swing down. Okay, it hits the target over here, which we talked about this yesterday. All right, and this is the M30. We'll look at the M30. All right, so over here, so M30, this part has already cleared. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. All right. Then after that, it breaks through 126.49.3 as well, so cleared. Okay, and then after that, it started to go into the targets of 126.190. All right, it's also cleared. Okay, fantastic. So good to see that. Okay, and we have a price here. Okay. So we have a price here that actually hits onto the target over here, and it will actually it actually touches this area here. All right, and we can see that over at this point here, this area is where we are actually looking out for. Right, it touches nicely and sit there nicely as well. Okay, this is the area I'm looking out. Okay, so it cleared this area and then started to boom up again, right? So this is actually today, nice, and we actually look out for things like yesterday over here. All right, in M5, okay, in M5, okay, if we are looking into a smaller one, okay, we are actually looking out from here, all right, over into this area here, all right. Okay, now it's cleared this area. And yesterday was looking at this area, the first one, okay, the first target that we are looking out into this area here. Yeah, I think this area has been cleared. Okay, so over at this over at this area, okay, so we have managed to get this in. So today it cleared this area here, and are we looking out for anything down there some more? Yes, actually there are more to go. All right. Well, generally, okay, we are actually looking more onto the buying side. Okay. Since yesterday we are talking about it, am I right? Yesterday we are talking about that. We are actually looking more on the buying side. So, but the buying side, okay, they need support. They need support to push for a higher high. So probably, they are actually looking for support at the moment. Yesterday it was looking for support, and it was not totally cleared yet. And we cleared this area only yesterday. So we only cleared this area. Then today it came down a little bit more to take this. So over here, all right, this is actually fantastic. Okay, looking into this area here, huh? Okay, so let's see. So for today, for the pound dollar, okay, I will be waiting to see. Okay, I'll be waiting to see a little bit more. All right. Okay. Yes. Let me. Yep. Sorry, guys. Give me a little while. But the thing is that I also wish to speak to you, but the thing is that I'm now having a very important meeting. Okay, so can maybe call back? Yes, sure. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Same to you. Bye. All right, guys, let's come back here. Okay, so let's check out. Let's check this out. And all right, over here. Yes, JJ currently got Euro franc. Okay, buy position open. This is not financial advice. Follow guidance from this community. Okay, good. I give you a thumbs up. Ding ding. All right. Okay, I will check the goal later on. Okay, give me a little while. All right. So later I'll come back with the pound dollar because tentatively pound dollar has taken out all the Asian highs here. So probably the Asian low have been taken out as not yet. So probably we will be looking out for maybe some selling here. All right. So but then let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's check on the Euro franc. Holy, I don't have my Euro franc with me. Okay, let me. I have not been trading Euro franc for quite a while. Okay. Yeah, so let me pull out the chart and let's take a look. Okay, all right, and okay, let's see. All right, Euro franc. Wow. Okay, let's take a look. Euro franc. Generally, we have a very good move on the buy side. Okay, it's on the bull, as we can see, very obvious. Correct. But the bull tentatively looking is actually touching onto one of the resistance. Okay, one of the resistance here, right? So before I change this, let me pull this out. Okay, yep, and let's do this. All right. Okay. So looks like they are right, and support. Let's take a look at where's the support. Okay, let's move down. So now let's have some plotting. Okay, let's have some plotting. So very nice. I think we are actually covering up very nicely on the buy side to this area. Okay, to what I see here, I don't know what's the price, but looking into this area here, okay, 0.98192, 0.98192. Okay, so this is one. All right. Okay, and this is one price to take note that the resistance may comes in. Okay, to get some pullbacks on the selling side. All right, and support wise, okay, let's take a look. Well, it has been supported nicely over at this area here. Wow, what a clean traffic over here. I guess it's because Switzerland, I think the franc has started their interest rate issue. Okay, so planning, not issue, planning. Okay, so probably that is why people have already been looking out for some buying for quite some time. Okay, so from this area, they have already cleared this area here and be looking, the main support comes in here. Well, you may want to look at 0.97737. 0.97737. Okay, so if this is going to, if you're on the buy side, all right, for JJ, if you're on the buy side, all right, you may have to take a look at 98192, because 0.98192 may be the main resistance to push down to take 0.97737. Okay, so that is one. All right. Okay, that's for the Euro franc. Right. Okay, so that's for Euro franc for JJ. Okay. Yeah. And yes. All right. So now let's come into the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, we are back now in action. 69.9, where we hit 972 yesterday. All right. I think no, not yesterday. Yeah. Correct. Okay, I think yeah, 71.5. Okay, so around there. All right. So yep. Okay, so over here, the goal. Let's come into the goal. Okay, for Mr. Ripple. Okay, hi Alan, nice to see you. Okay, and over here, as for the goal, I guess we it looks like we still have plenty up there to take. Okay, yeah, but the thing is that currently we have taken out this area, right? 21.96. Yesterday Carol was mentioning about this. We have taken out this, so it swing down into this area here to take 21.79.74, and now it's bouncing back. Well, I will say that we have around, let me check. We have around here 2203, 2203. Yeah, I think 2203. All right. 2203 to be taken over here, and is there any downside? Any chance to sell off? Looks like at the moment I would say 21.74 may be the price. 21.74. The setup of the support is there already, and well, yeah, running on the range, right? Just now Karu was saying, I think at the moment, if I were to plot this is on the buy side, I think it will still be on the buy side to take 21.87. Yeah, yes, it's a very clean traffic on. It's clean traffic on the left. That's what yeah, basing on H1, am I right? Okay. And I am actually looking into 21.86.5, the buying. Okay, the buying should reach 21.86.5. 21.86.5. Okay, so this is one point here. All right, so this is the area. Okay, so by looking into this, if I'm looking into H1, I'm looking into H1 over here. All right, so that is one of the area. Okay, so be looking at it. All right, and the support come in 21.74 over here by looking into this area here. All right, and if this is going to be the range, okay, I guess this should be the range. Okay, we should be looking out for. All right, so will they actually, do you think that what I would say, if they break out of this range, all right, if they break out of this range, I break out above, they will go further up, break below, you'll go further down. What do you think? I see, like you say, okay, it's at the range. Okay, right, is I also see that it's something like in the range here, you know, because I saw just now, is it no, okay, over here. Yeah, it will be a lazy day after yesterday's 700 pip up and down. Yeah, this is so crazy, right? It went this way and then come back down here again, you know. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, all right, so I think this is the range that we should be looking out for. If we are buying up to 21.86.5, okay, if this is going to break above, I will see 22.03 is going to be taken. If this is going to break below, right, if this is going to break below 21.57, but along the way there are still a lot of supports to take into consideration. Okay, so this may be my reading on the gold side. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's one point here. All right, then for the gold, I think today probably we may be trading around this range between 21.74 to 21.86, or if you're going to sell off this to 21.86 to 21.74. That's what I see. That's what I see. We took sell liquidity now, okay, but still not finished at 21.82. 21.82, that's one point, that's one area. Let's take a look. 21.82. 21.82. 21.82. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, where is the 21.82? Now buying liquidity is 21.80 to 21.77. Okay. 21.80. Yep, this area here, 21.80. And to 21.80, 21.77. 21.77. Okay. Ah. Uh, 177. And mine is it's a good top week to sell. Okay. Right. Let's see over at this point here. Okay, and let me check this area here. 21. Okay, mine maybe differ a bit. 21.77. 27. Okay, so 21. All right. Okay. Okay. That is gold TP 15 pips. Congratulations. Nice. All right. 21.77 over here in the H1. I see, but mine was like mine was like 21.77 exactly, I think. Yeah. 21.76.99. Okay, I mean 21.77. Okay, plus minus there, I think. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. For that, I think yeah, I think probably we can take a look out for all these prices here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Basing on H1, Christopher was asking. Yes, Christopher. Basing on H1. Okay. H1. H1. Okay. Yeah. All right. So over at this point here, maybe there's a bit of difference here. Okay. All right. And if I'm looking at it, it will be like, say, yeah, okay. Since it formed up this way, I think okay. Let's see how it goes first onto this area. Okay, and one. Right, okay. Yeah. Okay, so yes. Okay, about that. Yeah. Okay, so we can take a look at this area here. The buy liquidity is 2180.2. All right, to 2177. Okay, and probably when it reaches all these prices, we can take a look. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Right. Okay. So yep. Let's take a look. Yes. Okay. I also don't know. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Let's see. Oh, pound dollar not there yet, huh? Okay, let's see. Okay, for the gold wise, you know something yesterday. What happened is that all this has been selling off, right? Okay. Actually, it maybe put me into a it really put me into a thoughts that I want to put in a long buy. A long-term buying, you know. I was thinking, you know, okay, because of the move here. Looks like you know, yesterday I have some sharing session, okay, in my midnight. Okay, in my midnight. Okay. All right. So some was saying that okay, anyway, it's like, you know, there are a lot of people start selling, you know, around this area, okay, on this day, but the price still keep shooting up, and they are still holding, and some even burst their account. All right. Because they always thought that one big move and should be selling off. All right. But the thing is that, you know, it may be okay. It's like you know, some people say ATH, then there should be some selling off. But the thing is that the heat is there. You know, the heat is there, so you cannot sell off immediately. You still have to check it out. You know, if there's some big move over in this kind of situation, it's always good to check and wait to see if there's any selling coming in actually. Okay, yeah, all right. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay, over here. All right. Yep. So you see, situation like this is that there's a lot of time you don't actually immediately go and sell it off where the heat is there, right? So I would prefer to trade, to go into the trading after the heat has simmered down. Okay. All right. Okay, so that is generally okay. That is the whole idea, huh? Okay, so don't go against the market. All right. Okay, that's all I can say. Okay, yeah. All right. So over at this area here, okay, I have not plot out my pound dollar. So let's see. Pound dollar wise, okay, we need to really shrink down and take a look what's happening in overview. Okay, so over at this area here, the pound dollar, okay, over at this area started to swing down. All right, and swing off nicely and taken out all whatever should be taken, and we are actually looking into an area whereby, you know, it's still there waiting for us, you know, like over at this area here. Right, if you're looking into this is exactly like what the goal is happening now. We are actually having a clean traffic up there. Am I right? So there are still plenty to be taken. All right. So will they actually start the retracement? Sorry, the reclamation to actually goes up. Okay, to reclaim this area. Then after that, continue another round of new trend or to create another high. Okay, as we can see over at the day chart here, all right, I think if you still remember these days, okay, back in 2022, I remember these days because that was the period when it starts selling off so much, so that I missed out all this area for the almost for the 2-3 weeks because I was down with COVID. Okay, I typically slept on the bed and didn't know what's happening. Okay, then well, so you guys have been enjoying for the profits here, and then it started to bounce back until here today. All right, so there's a lot of selling off, buying in, all this kind of movement. There's a lot of movement over at this point here. So as we can see, seems like the pound is actually going stronger compared to 2022 during the COVID time. It has actually recovered, correct? It actually recovered so much that now it's actually still because of some issue, right? And it started to have some movement again. But looks like in general, okay, if I'm going to look out for selling, we can see that this area, okay, this area of I would say the liquidity of this area has been taken out. Am I right? Okay, so we can see this area here, right? So it has been taken out nicely. Okay, so this area also. Oops, sorry. Okay, so yeah, and no, not yet. Okay, so we still have one area there. Then over at this point here, it looks like this whole area, all right, we still have some to be taken out, but it's not completed yet. All right, nicely done up in this for this area here. All right, then come back down here. Of course, it's very obvious. It's done. And now looking at the green area where it's not done yet. So probably that's why I'm still looking out for 125. For the price of 125, selling is still possible. All right, in general. All right. Then again is that within the big reading, there are plenty of things that can happen. So will this actually continue another round of selling to break below 125.75.9 to go down into my area of 125.39.8? Okay, then which is this area here, right? So still have plenty to go. We have almost about 78 pips to go. Right, so at this along the way, of course, we still need to check out with some other things like the support. Okay, where are the buying liquidity or everything in here? Right, so over at this point here, it's just that it gives a lot of thoughts. Are they going to continue the selling, or are they going to reclaim the area up there? So let's work on the current situation. Okay, if they are going to sell off, we must identify whether is this a pullback to look out for support, or is this going to form up a buying structure. Upon forming up the buying structure, they are selling down first, then we should grab some profit. We can grab some profit by all means. You get what I mean? Okay, but after that, but we still have to bear in mind is that this is a pullback to form a buying structure. Am I right? Okay, so we still have to take note about all this. Okay, so by looking into the pound dollar, I am actually yesterday was looking at 126.726, right? Okay, over here to take out this area. All right, but now they have it reaches this 126.6666. Okay, 126.666. So which is a price that we had talked about it for past few weeks. We are still around this area. Okay, So then again is that today, by looking at the whole structure, okay, a big move selling down off here. Then after that started to move. Then yesterday, I think someone, I cannot remember, starting with S something. Okay, so was saying that it's a good time to go for a swing. Right, yes, that may happen, okay, but yesterday I was looking at they are looking for support. So today, are they still looking out for support in a way? All right, then generally should be still on the buy side, correct? Generally should be still on the buy side, huh? All right, then this area here, okay, this area here, it should be good in a way that we should be looking out into this area here. All right, okay. Then over at this point here, okay, we can also look out for things like, you know, buying and all this. Okay. Okay. All right. Steven 真可爱啊 Steven. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. So come back here. Okay. 我在看 Steven 的群里的信息啊，他发出来的 video. Okay. So yep. And right. So then well. Okay. So let's take a look. Tentatively. Okay. For the pound dollar. Are we still looking on the selling side to look out for support? Okay, the question is, yes, maybe here, 126. Okay, 126.079. Then maybe, yeah, okay. Well, it reaches the goal, 21.77. Okay, good. All right, well done, man. Okay, good reading. Yeah, okay. So, do you like, Carol, would you like to enlighten me with the H1 liquidity? Because for me, I see 21.76, 82, around there, 21.76.82. Is it because our chart differs because of the liquidity provider? Somewhere here. All right. What do you think? I think so, right? I'm not sure. Is it the same? I mean, go TP 5 pips. Okay, congratulations. Well catch, okay. Okay, so all gone now. Yeah, I mean, our chart differs a bit, is it? I'm not sure because for me, mine is I'm looking at the liquidity at 21.76, 82, 21.76, 82, or 86. Somewhere here, somewhere here. Okay. Okay. So my key will be on the 1000 hours, last hour. Okay. Yeah. 2183 to 2186, 2183 to 2186. Okay. You're looking at 2183 to 2186 as now buying coming in, right? Okay. I'm looking at 2182 to 2186. So that's why I say that we may have some differences here. Am I right? Is it? But the concept is there. Am I right? Okay, the concept is there. Is the concept correct? Okay. 21.71.6 on M15. 21.71.6. Okay, let's see. 21.71. 21.71.6. That's so low over here. Okay, yeah. Because of oh, I see. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. Hey, this is good. Okay, I think this is good. Yeah, I think we are actually looking into this area here. We are actually looking into this area here. Am I right? Okay, so I think this should be the key. Okay, I look at the hour of 1100 hours. Yes, you are usually very near with prices. Okay, all right. Okay. So I think it should be, yeah. All right. So guys, you see, Caro and me, we discuss doesn't mean that we have we have different view or what, but because we are using different brokers, so different brokers may come along with different liquidity provider. You may experience some different brokers, but you have the same price. It's because they may be using the same liquidity provider. Okay, so yeah, we may have a little bit differences here. Okay, we are actually very near with each other, but the thing is that you must remember that the concept is very important. Okay, so this is something, huh? All right, yeah. Well, okay, so let me take a look at the pound dollar. Okay, where pound dollar, all right. I also feel gold will go up to grab the imbalance and liquidity. Yeah, okay. I think similarly towards the pound dollar as well. Yeah, I think the pound dollar is good. Also, I'm still waiting for the buying, but there's plenty of to grab to be completed in the lower side of this pound dollar over at this side here. Okay, we have a few areas that we need to take note. All right, so example like one here. All right, example like one here. Okay, so we have a few of them. So these are the areas, but too many lines, huh? Okay, so one at a time. Okay, so let's see over here. Right. Okay. Yes. What is that? I am totally occupied this week. Okay, I'm totally occupied this week. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm totally occupied this week. Huh? So yeah, this is a typical London manipulation, created daily high and now heading down to attack Asian low. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Asian low. Now, are we going to take this? What's the time for this? Okay, 4:30. 2173. Are we reading at the same 2173 over here? I'm not sure. Maybe the same. Yeah. Okay, so are they going to move within this range? Looks like, huh? This whole area, huh? Correct. I don't know. Maybe. Likely. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's wait and see. Okay, for pound dollar, okay, let's take a look. 2173. Okay, yes, I think yep. Cheers, man. Okay, right. So over here, I guess over at this point here, we should be looking out. We should be looking out into this area for pound dollar. the selling can be up to 125.94. Okay, over here. All right, let's put it minor support here. Okay, let's put a minor support over here. Okay, all right. Okay, so but the first thing in mind is that, okay, the first thing in mind is that I want to break this 126.079. Okay, so this is one, right? Okay, yes, it will be 100 pips for London session, which is standard. Okay, that's good. Hi, Diligent. Diligent, nice to see you here. Wow, is this the first time I see you here? Where are you from? Let's make friends here. Well, has any entry been found? Currently, just now the goal we have, I think I sold one round from 21.82. So now we are looking into 21.76. May down to take into 21.73. All right, then probably 21.71. Okay, all right. So over here. You're from Nigeria. Ah, we have another Nigeria friend. I see. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. We have many Nigerians here. Okay, all right. And well, okay. Okay, over here. Right. So over at this point here, we can take a look. The buying for the gold may comes in. Okay, generally we are still looking out for buying. Okay, I think some of you have already put in the buy. Okay, over here. Okay, so probably we're looking out for a buy further up, or will it actually take the low first? Okay, so let me introduce you, Caro, our XNS founder. He's a gold digger. Okay, very good in gold. Okay, so yeah, we have plenty to learn from them. Wow, what is that? Nawakao Kanu, JJ Okacha, Okocha. I'm sorry. Okay, I love to learn foreign language from all of you, so I'm trying very hard. Okay, and Caro multilingual now. He's not bilingual, he's multilingual. Alright, so for pound dollar, okay, so if I'm going to continue the selling, I will be waiting to break 126.079 to take down 125.94. Okay. Okay, then in this case here, alright, we have one selling area here. Looks like over at this point here, they have some rejections from this area. They taken out the highs and now started to reject down to see if they are going to take the low. All right, so we have a low here, okay, which is standing at 126.079. All right, so in this case, over at this point here, looks like selling is maybe still possible. Okay, maybe still possible to take this area, but we only have a 14 pips of space. So selling of this pound dollar may not be so advisable at the moment now, okay, because of the space limited. Okay, some limitation here. Unless you are good with some scalping, I will still say we are still coming to take this 126.079. Okay, it's still highly possible. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, so yes, 안녕하세요. Yeah. 今晚的课程今晚的课程有啊，今晚的课程8点钟啊，北京时间8点钟。Okay. Yeah, alright. So 学院已经在做那个设置了哈，所以应该 OK. Okay, so over here, alright, 实验 yeah, alright. Okay, so over here. And let's see, we are going to take a buy up there. I will prefer to wait for the pound dollar. Okay, I would prefer to wait for the pound dollar. Okay, Yesterday it reaches 126,666, and today I'm actually looking out for an area which is 126,502 or 500, maybe 500. Okay, 500, maybe 500. Okay, yeah, 126,500. 126,500 or maybe 507. Okay, 508 should be around there. I'm waiting for the pound dollar to go up. Okay, so tentatively, if this is going to take the low, then I will say the buy is a buyer game to go further up to take 126,508, which is about 20 pips from the breakout of these highs here. All right, or in total today we'll be looking at 40 over pips from the Asian low here. Okay, but the Asian low, once it's taken out the Asian low, it doesn't mean that it will buy up immediately, because I still see there are some areas to be taken, which is about 125.94. Okay, 125.94. All right, so 125.94 will be the price for me to buy in, and 126.508 will be my price to go for a real selling. Any price that actually now on the way to sell, you can sell off. Of course, it's not that you cannot 30 pips here, 29 pips is still money there to take, right? But then we have to look at the current situation, whether it allows us to continue the selling. Okay, because over at this point we can see that the lows over here on Monday has not been taken out yet. There's still chances that they are still going down further to sell off, to take out the lows from Monday. Then after that, probably the buy will really comes in from tomorrow or today. I don't know. Okay, right. And this week, okay, tomorrow we have some high impact news on the unemployment claims. Okay, again, all right. Then on the Friday we have plenty of holidays. All right, I think what's that holiday? It's Good Friday. Holy, I forgot that it's Good Friday. Okay, so this coming Friday we can relax. All right. Okay, so yeah, this Friday is Good Friday. I've forgotten about it. Okay, so fast. We are coming end of the March. And end of March is also means also end of the quarter. And this quarter, at the end of the quarter, we are expecting some move in the currency world. As we know, there are a lot of money transferring around. Okay, all right. So we have been talking about this just to wait for H4 opening. So 1 minute to H4 opening. Now let's take a look. Well, by looking into this area here, will the pound dollar start to reclaim back to go for a buy? Okay, now we'll be waiting for pound dollar to set up support. Okay, so let's wait for pound dollar to sell off first. Then after that, maybe a buying will be coming in later on. Right, so let's see. Now, yeah, it's the holiday. It's the holidays in Christianity. Yeah. All right, so for pound dollar, this is going to sell off. Let me check. Should be good, huh? It looks like right. Okay. Now my currency pair is on the pound dollar. Okay, it's on the pound dollar. All right. So my default chart will be on pound dollar, and we'll be discussing on another default chart will be the gold. If you have any other currency pairs which you want to discuss together, okay, by all means, feel free. All right, feel free to voice it out. Okay. Right. So over here, be looking out to see whether if this hit the H4. Okay, I'm looking at H4 for this pound dollar. First of all, we have close as a support. Okay, we have close as a support now down here. So buying is highly possible to take 126.301. Okay, so a scalping may be good as of now. Okay, as of now, scalping may be good to take 126.301. All right, but okay, please do bear in mind we also have something down here, which is the Asian low to be taken as well. This may not be taken right now. Okay, it may need resistance to go on to sell off. As we can see, there's plenty of rejections here. We can take a look. It has plenty of rejections creating higher lows. So, but likely to see buying is still on the way. Okay, so yeah, okay. Then we can take a look at this area here. All right, and also going up to 126.508. So if there is any selling, any sellers who want to sell, I will advise. I will be waiting for 126.508. Okay, yeah. Today we don't have any high impact news. Okay, so should be quite peaceful. All right. Okay. Right. So generally, okay, the drop here, now they are struggling to recover this whole area into this area. All right, so looks like they are, like yesterday we were saying that they will be selling off to look out for support. Am I right? So has the support being found? I think just by this look, okay, the very obvious one, here. Am I right? It should be here. So probably they will be testing on the highs here to see if they can take out. If not, there will still be chances that they are still going for some selling. Okay, some selling may still be going on. All right. So over at this area, so take note. Okay, take note. Okay. Yeah. For the goal wise, let's take a look. As usual, H4 once it opens. Well, on my side here, H1 looks like we have touches 2176 here. It closed as a resistance over here, and well, I mean for my H4 is actually not open yet. We are still there, but in this H1 we close as a resistance, but meeting up with the area of 2176 support here. As we can see, they have been testing this area for quite some time. All right. So will the price actually still going on for the selling to break 2176 to go down to take 2174? I will wait for this to take. I will wait for this to break 2176.84 to continue the selling. Okay, so we should have about 30 over pips to go for this goal. Okay, I'll be looking out for things like this. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so in this case over here, all right, and yeah, maybe, all right. Yeah. Okay, so for the pound dollar, let's take a look. Okay, but for the gold wise, I think they have current situation is that they set up the support over here. You see, it cannot break this area here. It seems like the area of support should be still going to take 2181. Correct? Should be still going up to take 2181. Okay. Your goal on the buy side. 2181, 2181, okay, 2181 to 2182.65. Right. Okay. Yep. And that's for the gold, and this is for the pound dollar. Okay, for pound dollar, let's see. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar approaching. Okay, let's see if we can grab some, if we can break above this area here to set up support to continue the buy. Then I think it should be good. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. Are you in London or you are in Singapore? What a question. I'm in the channel. Okay. Yep. Alright, so your activity hours seems like you are in the London now. Uh-huh. I live in Singapore, but living with London hours. Okay. 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 That's not important. Okay, right. Alright, so let's see. Okay, over here. Okay, over at this point here. Can you see we are actually approaching 126.301 since H4 has closed as a support now. Correct? Okay, so let's wait and see if this is going to be tested, and then from this area, okay, we are going to take the highs and then continue to go further up to take 126.508. So this area may be a good area for me to go for a selling. Okay. Yeah. Okay, maybe. Provided it breaks this area. Look at this whole thing. It's so boring here. Correct? It's so boring over here. This area is so tight. The space here is so tight. It's not the fantastic. Yeah. Okay. Alright. 老师，我来看你了。你好 ，Winnie。哇，你的这句话让我真的是有一点受宠若惊，是吗？OK， 好的啊 ，OK，Yeah。OK，so 今天晚上啊 ，OK， 今天晚上会有一堂课啊，所以可以一起参与哈 ，OK。Right, so for the gold wise, okay, let's take a look at the gold wise. Looks like they are slowly moving towards the north. The pound also, okay, yeah. 好的哈 ，OK， 很好，非常棒 ，Alright， OK， so yep, and over at this point here. Okay, let me repeat a little bit on Mandarin side since we have Winnie here. 刚才我们说到这个棒美，我们说棒美啊，棒美4小时开了，当4小时开的时候，看到它收的时候呢，有红绿是一个支撑嘛，然后现在开蜡烛的时候是个红绿绿嘛，那这个红绿绿呢，这个红绿绿是个收的时候是个红绿，是个支撑的形成啊，所以往上走的概率就变大了哈。OK， 那现在呢，就是等着它来突破这个 1.26031 啊 1.26301， 对不起301。如果它能突破的话，再有一个支撑形成的话呢，我们就要往上走了。1.26508将会是我们的这个怎么说呢？目标价位 ，OK， 好不好？哦，要涨了啊！等它突破吧，突破 1.26031， 好不好 ？OK， right， OK， GUTP Bradley， OK， congratulations， OK， nice， good catch，all right， 好的，那 Hi Steve，nice to see you，Steve 你好 ，Surprise， Surprise， 今天很 surprise 啊，今天。Alright， 这个黄金呢也是一样啊。当这1小时收的时候呢，现在在建立起那个支撑啊。所以刚才这里我们说是2176是做多的范围，我们在看的价位是2181到2182目标价位。OK， 好的啊，所以这两个是我们的目标价位哈。Okay, usually I will speak in English first as a priority. Then after that, I will translate into Mandarin. Okay, so no worries about Mandarin. Whatever I'm talking about is all the translation. Okay. Yep, and from I don't know where Bradley actually start buying. I think probably here, somewhere here maybe. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so at this area here, let's see if they are going to break above, and then we will try to take 126.508. Okay, 126.508. Yeah, okay. Right. Yes. Yes, Sabrina. Yeah. For the first time, I really entered the cowboy style. But Bradley exited. I have not. Okay. I see, I see. Right, right. Okay, this H4 may have some changes. Okay, over here. Yeah，今天晚上我会告诉你们这个交易里面的一些小秘密哈，一些小窍门啊。Right, so over here, okay. Right, and let's see, we can break through and set up the support above here to go on another buy up there. All right. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, go on. 126.508. Yes, is my target here to look out for the area. Okay, basing on H1. Okay, I'm looking at H1. All right, so should be around there. Conservatively, you can go for lower also. A little bit lower price. Okay, maybe 500, maybe 490. Okay. Yeah, go TP, 10 pips. Congratulations, Caro. Okay, well done. Okay, nice catch. Very good. Okay, yes. Right. Hi, Sherlock. Nice to see you. Good morning to you. Okay, so, yep, and Christopher, yes. And, well, thank you, Caro. I have also captured my goal on the TP. I got 8 pips. Okay, congratulations, Christopher. All right, well catch, well catch. All right. Okay, and nice, nice. 很好，很好. Okay, so on the gold side, let's take a look. Right, are we going to approach 2181 to 2182? Okay. Okay, we are moving. Nicely done. All right, beautiful, diligent. Did you manage to capture some? Okay, so just now we are talking about if this break below, selling may be going down to take the lows here, 2173. If the support comes in, it's not selling, then we are looking for 2181. Okay, achieved 2181, and now we're looking to 2182. Okay, that's good. Okay, nice, nice. Okay. And for pound dollar, so Sabrina Sabrina is still in the pound dollar, right? Okay, she's very she's very nervous. Okay, yes, Sabrina, yeah. No worries, you have another 15 minutes to go. Let's take a look at the M30, okay, and the M15. We are still looking good, okay, right? Yeah. Carol was saying, "Congrats, Chris." Yeah, okay, and over here we have this pound dollar looking out to go on for the buying. Okay, I think very soon we are going to come with a resistance. Okay, some pullbacks is coming in. All right, some pullbacks may be coming in from this area here. Okay, we are very near. Okay, so this area here, yep. Okay, 2183.1. Okay, let's take a look. 2183.1. Okay, so slightly above here. Right, over here. Okay, we have taken out 2181, and let's see if this is going to push even higher. From here, as we can see, this is the area, and there may be another area of 2178 is selling liquidity, so you know. Yes. Okay, so 2183 is selling liquidity, correct? 2183. Okay. Okay. Go TP 10 pips. Congratulations. Well done, Alan. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, very good. Yep. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, beautiful. Yep. And well, but 2186 and 2188 looks juicy. Well, good. Okay, so let's see if the goal is going to take 2178, then after that to build another support to go further up. All right, this area here, if this is going to stop around here, it should be another buying maybe coming in as well. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, all right, Sabrina. Yep. Oh yeah. Sabrina is very happy. Okay. Yeah. Still holding on. Let's see. Okay. Still holding on. Let's see if it can break this area that you plotted. I hope it breaks that area. Okay, that's good. All right. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Good. Good. We are still moving towards the north. All right. Let's see if they are. I think very soon the buying should be, the reclamation is going to take action up to 127.040. Okay. Yes, Jerry, have a question. 25th March. 25th March. Okay, yes. 25th March 1. 形态可算是 HNS 吗？1点钟。1点钟。17 sorry 17啊 17 hours OK 哦你是说目前啊 So are you talking Jerry are you talking about current situation here are you referring to a current situation here that means over here the left shoulder with the head and they are coming up to become a right shoulder to become head and shoulder to go down. Is that what you mean? 是的哈 Okay. Possible. Okay. Possible. Alright. Possible. Okay. It's possible 哈 OK. 这个你在说的这个是头肩嘛？这个头肩形态对不对？好不好？这个头肩形态呢是有可能的哈。OK， 那这个目前这一看的话呢，这里的这个范围啊 ，OK， 这整个范围啊，也要注意这里这个左肩的上影线 ，OK， 那么呢，所以我才把这个价位1.26508放在那里啊 ，OK， 也是我们的 imbalance 的地方哈 ，OK，right， so Jerry was saying that is this a head and shoulder formation? Okay, more or less. Okay, then with some imbalance at 126.508 over here. Yeah, so this is where it actually taking the consideration that it may reach this area as a selling. Okay, so yep, all right. Okay, yep. Yeah, Sabrina taking profit. Yes. Okay, that's cute, huh? All right. Okay, so over here, okay, let's see. Okay, so let's take a look. Along the way, before it reaches 126.508, we still have one level here. Okay, to take note. Okay, because this level is another level. Okay, in this H4, all right. Okay, in this H4, as you can see, this area here, all right, you may see some turbulence over at this point here. All right, so there may be some pullback. Okay, so there may be some pullback down to 126.301 area to form up the support to continue the buy to 126.508. But if this is going to break above, then it may still continue to pull further up. Okay, it may still continue to pull further up. I can tell you guys, this is good. Okay, as for seller, this is good. Why? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, because we are pulling out the space with liquidity here, all right, and you can see where the starting point. So later on, we may have we may have something to sell off down to 35 pips. My bad habit again. The lizard habit. Okay. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad. Okay, really bad. Okay, and well, it looks like we had some reaction over at 126.377, and we missed out something, guys. We missed out something, and that is our key bell time just now before the H4 opening. So can we go now? Can we go to key bell now? All right. Okay, so yep. Give me a little while, I'll be right back. Okay. 好，我要去我的梦想空间了哈，等一下我回来哈，谢谢大家。 Alright guys, thank you so much for your patience. I'm back. Thank you. Alright, and let's take a look. Let's see what is there. Okay. Oh, now the pulling back is here. Alright. Okay, let's see if the pullback. Are we going to take this 126? Now this has to change a little bit. Let me change the color. Okay. Right. Okay, let's see. Okay, Sabrina, yeah. Told you to remove your lines. You see, it's retracing downwards. Oh, I think it's good. Okay. It should pull back a little bit to stop around this area to go further up. Okay. Be cool. Keep cool. Keep cool. Alright, and let's see where it is going. Okay, now we are coming back here again. How about the goal? Let's take a look at the goal. The goal, oh, it hits into 2181 and then started to pull back now. Let's see if this is going to touch this 2178 or to retrace back for the buy. Yeah. Right. Okay, so okay. Okay, so let's see, what is that? Poor kids and wife. Come on, I'm the one not there. Yeah, I messed up the place last night with friends gathering, man. Oh, I see. I'm doing my chores early in the morning. Oh, really? Right, okay, so let's see. Yeah, okay. Then well, 126.301 touches this area to see if this is going to set up the support once again to push even higher to take 126.508. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And over at this area here, let's wait for a little while. No, you don't close the trade now. You don't close the trade now at this area here because this area may be the higher lows area to push for a higher high. Okay. Well, it may also retrace downwards down to 126.247, but then you have to then I think now let's keep a lookout on this price 126.301 first. Yeah. Okay. Now they have some reactions, so let's see what is happening on the next thing. Okay. I will say that in general, if you look at H4, okay, if you look at H4, all right, H4 is now trying to form up a structure of buying. Okay, now it's trying to form up the structure of buying. It's just that we need to take a look at 126.508. That's all. If this is going to break above 126.508, I will say 127.040 will be a very promising price to be taken down again. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we hold on first. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Keep cool. Okay. 127.040. Right. Okay. Hey, I realized today that the MT4 didn't hang when the H4 opening. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yep. Then right. So let's see. I didn't know I look so weird when I drink water. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Now do some stretching for yourself. Okay, don't sit too long. Okay. Yeah. All right. Are you doing? Are you jumping, Caro, with your jumping jack? All right. We have 1 minute to go. Let's see how's the M5 is going to open. Okay, some rejections coming in. Okay, keep a lookout. Keep a lookout. Some rejection is coming in now. Okay, let's see. Okay. So we are going to expect some support to come in if this is going to stop around here. Well, hopefully. Okay, because we are still on the area here. Oops, no. It's still looking for something lower. Right. But we will still have over at this point here. We are still looking for something lower. Looks like, looks like. Okay, M15, let's take a look. M30, okay. Looks like we are still looking for something lower there. Okay. Well, next to go over here, okay, around this area here, 126.253, 126.253. Okay, haha, not yet. Okay, yep. Right. Though such a ranging move tonight might have big movement. Tonight might have big movement. Okay, let's take a look. Perhaps. Okay, looks like the goal is stopping here and we are still going back to take 121.82. I think, well, let's see if this is going to take out and 21.83. Highly possible. Okay. 21.83, 4. 21.83. Okay. 21.83 for around here, right? Okay. Yep. Okay, so hang on for a little while. Looks like it's still good. Okay, pound dollar. Yes, let's take a look. Oops, selling off down now to 25, 24. Okay. Right. Okay. Over at this point here. Oh. I had a nice session in Keybell, so I feel stretched enough now. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Okay. Very good. Yep, and let's see. 126.248. Okay. What's the possible entry point to buy gold currently? Okay. Now I will say looking for selling, not for buying. Alright, the buy has started just now earlier on. Okay, so now we are waiting for it to take 121.83. So 21.83.4 around there. Alright, 21.83.4. Then probably from there we should look out for selling. Okay. Now a bit too high to buy. unless you are really confident about the scalping, okay, then probably you still have about 10 pips, but not worth taking the risk, okay? Okay, not worth taking the risk. Yep. Right, so hang on for a little while first, because if I'm looking for buying, I will be waiting to see 2178 down to 2178 1 to 2178 4 around this area here. This will be the possible area. All right. Yeah, then if let's say it takes down 2183 4 to start selling, okay, yeah, this will be 2178 4 somewhere there. All right, then if not, the next one will be 2173 4 here. All right, for buying. Now is more, now we should be preparing ourselves to go for some selling. Okay, yeah. Okay, yes, that's good, diligent, very good. All right, because you see, when we want to buy, a very simple concept, we want to buy from the support or the buying liquidity. We want to sell from the resistance or the selling liquidity. Am I right? Since it already taken this area and started the buying, and we have not entered any trade, take it as a miss. Then let's miss this trade. Then we should switch our mindset into wait for the selling to come. Right? Wait for the selling to come. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Pound dollar. Yes, Sabrina. Right. Okay. I've taken 50% of my profits, and now leaving the 50% waiting for the retracement. Since you say that this is the area, and I can see this is the FEG also. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Since they are taking out, so okay. Probably is actually, if this is no, I think they have broke through all this area, broke through all these points that I pointed out, then it's not very ideal now. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Right. So let's see if this is I'm actually I'm actually hoping to see buying up. Then I will sell down from 126,508. There will be a lot of potential selling liquidity there to be taken. But then this actually started to sell off now. Well, so sad. I didn't enter any. Okay, so yeah. So just wait for the next one to go. Okay, let's wait for the next one. All right. Then again is that now they are taking out all the gains. Okay, they're erasing all the gains now. Then probably we are going into another level to see another areas to see the buying to take out all these again. All right. So hopefully, okay, we have one area here. Right. So just now, when we look at this area here, it really touches and they really go into 126,377, right? Oh, actually, it's not 377. It's slightly lower. Okay. 368. Oh, it touches the 368 and started to retrace downwards. Okay. So, yeah, like just now, okay, like we have just discussed, this is the target, and this area is the area that we need to take note as well. Since it broke through this area, the last final area will be here. If this is also breaking through, then no more. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, yep. Okay. So in this case here, let's see if they are coming down to take the lows here. All right. Looks like it's still in the range area here. Doesn't seem like so fantastic. Okay, anyway. Right. Okay. Right, by the way, where's the Euro franc? Let me put the Euro franc over. Right. Euro franc. Yeah, Euro franc. JJ was talking about it. Yeah, I'm still waiting for 98,192. Okay, so just hang on with that first. Okay. All right. 2188 for the goal. Okay, let's take a look. Oh my god. Goodness. What is this, man? Goodness. Oh my. Oh my. This is so crazy. Forecast agency. Oh, just now we were talking about where's the entry? Diligence was saying, where's the entry for this? Alright, so I was saying that it's too high to buy now. Who knows, it shoot up. Okay. Alright, sorry Diligent. I did manage to help you make some money here. Okay. So 2188. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, just now. Yeah. Okay, 2188. Okay. Earlier on, we are talking about this area. Correct. Yeah, 2188. Okay. Okay. I did not see that coming. Yeah, me too. Okay, so well, right, and I think it should be around here, huh? Okay. Alright, then I think still have some to go. 21, yeah, 21 for mine is 21.95. Right, mine is 21.95 over here. Right, now, I mean, we didn't expect the zone has cleared up so fast. Right. Okay, so yep, nice area here. Okay, so selling. So just now we are saying that don't look out for buying, but wait for the selling. Correct. Okay, so cleared 2186. Let's take this away first. Okay, cleared 2182. Take this away first. Right, so what's next now? Are we going to take down? Let me take this a little bit higher. Okay. Right, so is it a time for the selling now? Yeah, okay. Looks like selling for some areas is coming in. Okay, let's see. Hang on. Don't, I think the selling don't come in that. Okay. Over here, let me check. Right, we need to pass through one area. Is this the one? Okay. Right, so 2186.44. 2186.44. This price may be a bit have to take note to what I see now. Okay, over here, if not, they should be taking out 2183. 2183. No, not 2183. 2181. 2181.8. Should be 2181.8. Okay, 2186.44 to 2181.8. Well, if okay, right. But hang on first. I think we still have some up there to be taken before we actually can conclude the selling. Okay. So let's think about this. These are, first of all, I'm plotting out 21 2186 and 2181 is they are prices 2182. Okay, 2182 around there. Okay. If selling to come in, then there will be a good selling off down to 2182. 2182. Okay. Selling. Yep. All right. Okay. Well, do you have any selling areas here? Looks like currently we still don't have. We still have a few to. We still have some to take out up there. Okay, so let's wait for a little while. Okay, so let's see. 2196, which is 2196 over here. Okay, let's see 2196. Okay. I'm so sad. Wanted to enter at 2180 as a host, really good. Well, maybe. Okay, 2196. Okay, maybe. Alright, over here we can keep a lookout. 2196. Mine is 2195. 2195.6. 2195.6. So around there, should be around there, huh? At least our strategy was correct. Okay, yep. Yeah, I think, that's one point. When we don't get the profits, right, it doesn't matter. But the most important part is that the reading is correct. Then that is the most important part. Right? Because you see, this kind of this move, is unexpected. Right? So you see, that is maybe sheer luck to cross this much. You see, I mean, is that our reading is your reading is correct, your understanding is correct, as the direction is correct. That is the most important part. Okay, but with such a shoot up is actually, with this shoot up is actually, somehow or rather it is, I would say, unexpected, correct? Yeah, but yeah, that's right. Okay, immediately after that gold shoot up. Yeah, okay, so 2189 over here. Okay, are we ready to sell off? Are we ready to sell off for quick scalping down to 2186 or 2182? Right, but this is quite a big one, so it may need more. It may need more selling volume. It may need more sellers to support the directions, to support the selling. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's wait for a little while. I'm pretty sure that the selling should be coming in. Okay. From 2187 now to 2182. This should be a good area to sell. If I'm talking about area to sell, okay. If I'm talking about area to sell, I will be looking into this area. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. We can take a look. Okay, we can take a look. Right. Pound dollar, yes. Pound dollar. Right. Okay, pound dollar right now we are stopping into this area. Okay, so looks like there are some reclamation is coming in. So Sabrina, is your pound dollar still in? I guess it is. If not, you wouldn't ask me, right? Yes, I'm still on the pound dollar. Since I already taken the 50% profit, I don't mind holding it again. Okay, yeah, all right. So pound dollar looks like we are now heading. Okay, we are now. We have about 6 minutes to close the H1. Okay, but basing on current situation, it should be still looking out for some buying. Okay. One taken, 2 taken, 3 taken, 1, 2. 1 here. I think, yeah, it should be still good for 120. It's still good on 126,508. Right. Then again, is there? Yeah, let me see. Okay, 126,508 is still good. Okay, still running good. Right. Okay, yes. Okay, 126,508 is still running good. However, we still have 126,368 to be tested. Okay, 126,368 to be tested. Right. Yep. Okay. I put in a quarter buy now. Okay, a quarter buy from your previous. Okay, all right, a quarter buy. Okay. All right, so if that makes up to my profit, my TP, I should be making another 25% more, add up from my 50%, about 125% from the previous trade. Okay. Yes, you can do that. Okay. Yep. All right. Good. The application is good. All right. Okay. So, yep. How about the gold? Okay. We are still looking into some buying. So, now my mind is still waiting for selling. Still waiting for selling. Okay. Well, if you with this pump up, I will wait for selling. As we can see, it actually created a selling opportunity, all right, to swing down. So I think pretty good. Okay, yeah. My H4 over here on the gold side, all right, looks like they are testing out. Next candle coming, guys. Next candle, you mean the gold on the gold side? Okay. On the buy side, Hi, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you. I see a possible buy. I mean, there's the space here for the buy to take 21.95. Okay, so it depends on how you enter a trade over here, right? So this is the point. Okay, this is the whole area that the buying is to there. Since the price has gone up this high, okay, if scalpers, if are good with to scalp this profit, the buying profits up there, okay, by all means, okay. But for me, I want to wait for selling from this area here, because I will say that this is not a key levels for the buying. For me, okay. I'm still waiting to sell. Okay, I'm still waiting to sell. Either I missed either I don't have a chance to sell down, it will still continue to break this 21.95 to continue further up, or when it starts the selling off, I may have a good chance to grab back to 21.82. Okay, so that's my take. Okay, yep. Yes, Sabrina, yep. All right, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay. Oops, it's selling off again. Well, this area here, right? Yeah, okay, but I will still see in general it should be still on the way up. Okay, it should be still on the way up, right? We are now into this area here, which is very a lot of turbulence into this area here. So it is very common to see up and downs in this area here. All right. It's very choppy now. Okay, for the gold wise, it's very choppy now. Yes, you can see all this. All right. So let it go first. Okay, let it pull out directions. Nicely done up first before we actually go for a trade. Okay. Yeah. All right. So generally we are looking into 21.95. Okay, so still on the upwards move. Okay, so still 21.95. Okay, so I may be looking out for 21.95. If there's a good selling, then from there sellers should come in. Okay. Yes. Yeah, our Discord channel is in the Discord channel link is in the description box. You can click in and join in the Discord channel. Okay, Discord channel, not China. All right. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Yep. And one factor over at this area here, looks like 21.89 is holding it very well. So just take note of this area 21.89.79. Okay, right. If this is going to break above, then it should be still good. Okay. Should be still good to go for some buying up to 21.95. Taken out this area, then considering some selling off will be good. All right, pound dollar, yes, pound dollar allow it to set up. This is set up for another higher lows to continue for the higher high. Okay, right. So flat today is flat on the pound dollar. I would say, right, totally flat. So I'm not going to enter any pound dollar trade today. I mean now. Okay, it's pretty flat. Okay, so I will be waiting for New York session. All right, New York session. Okay, New York session, huh? All right. No bottom wick on H1. All right. Oh yeah, H4 on my H4 and H1. Hey, sorry, not this. Okay, on my H4 here. Okay, no bottom wick. Okay, so it should be coming. Now it's creating a bottom wick, right? Okay. Now it's creating a bottom wick. Aha. So are we going to... Now I see bottom wick. Right. So should be some selling should be coming in. A quick scalping, I would say. Let's wait and see. Okay. Some selling, a quick scalping, 10 pips. I think it should be good. 10 pips should be good, huh? Yeah. I think 10 pips should be good. Okay, for the goal wise. 10. A 10 pips. A 10 pips should be good, right? Let's see. Okay. This is the point where the opening 11. Shall we wait for prices like here 21.91, then to sell down for creating the wicks? Okay. What do you think? I mean, when I look at the H1 with no wicks, right? I will say, yeah, probably it may take down. It may reach 21.87, but when to enter for the selling, like you say, Carol, correct? To flip over, you will wait for it to go up first. Then after that, when it start the selling off, then we will, when it start the selling off to create the wicks. Of course, not now, right? Okay. Okay, I remember that flipping, Okay. I am not very into that flipping yet, but I still see 21.95. I will be still waiting for 21.95 for a good selling. Unless you guys are really good with like Caro, know how to do it. Okay, so of course you can do it, huh? Okay, right. Yes. Lastly, for pound dollar. Okay, lastly for pound dollar. Right, we are actually supported, okay, from this H4 opening. All right, so from the support over here, we can see that it looks like they are going to go for a buy to take 126.508 to create a structure, maybe for a selling structure down again to take 125.94. Okay, so from 126.508 down to 125.94. Okay, over here. Right. Okay. Right. So this is the price that I'm looking out to sell. So I'm not going to sell now yet. Okay, has trade started for gold or pound dollar? No, nothing yet. Okay, nothing yet, diligent. Okay, so for the gold wise, I am still waiting. Okay, I am still waiting for 21.95. 21.95 here. I am still waiting for 21.95 for selling. Okay, yeah. And for the pound dollar, okay, I'm waiting for 126.508. If this is going to hold as a resistance, we will see a very good chance to sell off to 125.94, which is about 50 pips there, all right, of space to consider. But of course, it depends on how it moves up, right? Okay, then for now, I will say it is still on the upward move, all right, to create the selling structure. Then we will sell later on. So now, looking at pound dollar is totally flat. So I will be waiting for it to come into 126.508. That will be a good price for me to go on the selling. Okay, so not now. I will not suggest any selling now, but the buying is more at a higher probability. Where we also need to take note about 126.368. Okay, so this is the price we need to take note as well. Okay, so this is one area to take note. As we can shrink down a little bit, we can see that the move here. All right, we are actually now coming back for the buying side to take this area, then to see if there's a good chance to sell off later on. Okay, all right, so currently we still have about 20 pips. All right, about 20 pips to go. Okay, but take note of 126.368. All right, okay, yeah. So yes, usually coming to the end, I will do some planning on all this to prepare myself for the New York session. All right, so when I'm doing this, that means I'm going off soon. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming in today. And though we have a very flat day for the pound dollar, we have some move in the gold, but it's very interesting to see the gold have a good pump up just now. All right, then we are waiting for a good chance to sell at 21.95. Okay, my targeted price will be 21.87. Okay, so I think that should be good. All right, that should be still good over here. 21.87 if the price is going to sell off. All right, okay, so yep. Haha, TP 10 pips only. 10 pips only. You know, you let me TP 5 pips, I'm really very happy, you know. Okay, congratulations. Anyway, all right, nice. Okay, right. Okay, so yeah, that should be all for today, guys. And I shall see you guys tomorrow again. All right, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Friday is Good Friday. So shall we come back here on Friday? No, right? Okay, no market. The market is going to be so slow. Okay, so maybe. Okay, yeah, anyway, guys, thank you so much. I shall see you later on. No, not later on, tomorrow. Okay, good luck in your New York session. And with bountiful profits, do remember to share your joy with us. Okay, so I would like to see you making profits from the planning as well. All right, enjoy trading. Don't stress yourself. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep. So I shall see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Do remember to smash the like button for me. That will be a very, very good encouragement for me as well. Right. Thank you so much. And I shall see you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.